Welcome everyone, I would like to show you how to turn off the Nintendo Switch when frozen. So all you need to do is hold down the power button and keep on holding it down until the screen goes black. Now my Nintendo Switch isn't frozen, so I'm going to see this screen. That doesn't matter. All you need to do is keep on holding down the power button and eventually your Nintendo Switch will go black. Now the Nintendo Switch has been turned off successfully, however that isn't very useful if you can't turn it back on again. So you just want to wait a couple of seconds. I've already waited enough time through my talking, and then you just tap on the power button again. This will now turn on the Nintendo Switch again, and you can see the Nintendo logo, and we should see the Switch logo. Now we should be brought back to the lock screen. Now keep in mind, if your Nintendo Switch was frozen, there's a possibility, let's say you completely screwed something up, that after the restart, some issues may be present. However, for the most part, if the game froze or the operating system froze, then turning off your Nintendo Switch, turning it back on with this method should really fix the issue. So you can see I'm brought back to the lock screen, and we can just go back to the home screen, and you can see, boom, everything is fully working. So hopefully this video helped you out. If it did, make sure to smash like, subscribe for brand new. Check out my playlist. You see it on screen or in the description down below. It has a bunch of tips and tricks for the Nintendo Switch. So if that does sound interesting to you, check it out. It's on the end screen right now, or you can always check it out in the description down below. With that being said, thanks for watching. See you guys later. Bye bye.